Steve, I'm here with Mark Wenzel from Interlock Industries that is located all over BC, and it's your first year with the telethon. Welcome.
Thank you.
$10,524.79. Amazing. Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
All right, well, I hope to see you back here next year. Thanks, you guys.
This year what we've done is we've set aside funds from each one of our roofing projects throughout the province of British Columbia and donated that towards the Children's Hospital.
Well, thanks very much, Mark, and all the folks at Interlock Industries. Thank you very much.